Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cooking. If you are new, welcome. Come on and let's make this lemongrass chicken with me. It's super delicious, healthy, and easy to make. Let's get started. Anyway, this is my intro. I don't have music yet because last time I added music to my video and then I had a copyright strike, which was weird. But anyways, this video is dedicated to nobody. Bye. So I'm now going to crush the garlic in here with the pepper that I grounded earlier. Make a little bit of paste. This is pretty small. I need to get a bigger mortar and pestle, like a really bigger one. Oops, see, that's what I mean. It's like too small. Ugh, I need a bigger one. Alright, I'm gonna work on getting a bigger one. So I'm gonna crush these, and then when I come back, I'm going to chop my lemongrass. It smells, I think most of the flavor is on the bottom, so we're gonna use the bottom because the top doesn't really have that much flavor. The flavors are here, so we're gonna cut these and chop it up and put on a little bit in here to make that paste. I'm probably gonna switch this into my bigger pillow. I'm gonna use this instead because it's bigger, and yeah, this is too small. I don't have time for the mess. All right, so let's do that. I don't want to keep making the same mistakes. Like I said earlier, we're gonna go ahead and cut our lemongrass, chop it up. So I'm using 2 sticks, and we're gonna just use mostly the bottom because that's where all the flavors are. I'm gonna rinse it. Give it a nice little rinse. And we're just gonna cut from here. I should sharpen my knife because it's not. Okay, so now let's chop up our lemongrass. It smells so good. You know, in Haiti we use lemongrass to make la bouillie, and when we boil milk in Haiti, you know, you get the milk fresh, like the merchant milk the cow the same day, like hours in the morning, and then they go sell it to you. They walk around the neighborhood and sell it, and you buy the milk fresh from the cow, okay? And then you boil it and you drink it. You do whatever you need to do with it. Like the way we boil it in Haiti is with cinnamon, star anise, and lemongrass. That's how we boil our milk, and then you just, you know, you drink it. I can't wait to eat this chicken. Can't wait to eat this chicken. Oh. Anyway, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and ground that. So I have my brown sugar from Aldi. Aldi is the plug because their stuff is a lot cheaper, right? So I'm gonna do 1/2 teaspoon to make it easier to ground. We really want that little paste. You see how it is right now? It's turning into a paste, but the sugar will make it a lot easier. All right, so that's good. So now let's do the marinade. So now let's go on and marinate that chicken. So here I have the paste that I obviously made earlier. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see my iPhone over there. That's because I'm also recording for a little bit of a couple clips for Instagram, because I'm not gonna be making separate videos for Instagram, so I'm gonna make it work. Oh fuck, I know it's gonna be hard, but we're gonna make it work. It's gonna work. All right, so ta-ta. Okay, recording? Cool, because I don't want to be doing everything and then to just find out she wasn't recording. So we add our little paste, which is lemongrass, garlic, and pepper. And then we're gonna add I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce just because I like soy sauce and want the flavor. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce, so be sure to use that, or whatever you have, to be honest, it doesn't matter. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And for the one, so I wanted to come on here and tell you guys, be sure to check the description box because I adjusted the measurement a little bit, and also I'm begging you to like my videos so YouTube can show it out to more people. I'm gonna set it aside and let it marinate for a couple of hours. Not really a couple, but you know, I think it will best if you do it overnight, obviously more flavor, but whatever you can do it. So I don't think I'm gonna wait for a couple of hours because that's what I'm gonna be eating for dinner. And actually not even dinner right away because I only had like a little bit of sandwich. So yeah, I'm actually really hungry. So while this is marinating, ouch, we're gonna prepare the vegetables. Like I said, I'm using carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and Napa cabbage. Let me go and wash them and we're gonna come back and chop them. So let's prepare the veggies. I have my Napa cabbage. You can use romaine lettuce, I would say, but I just want to use the Napa cabbage. It's just as crunchy as the romaine lettuce. Hi, it's me again. I'm here to beg. Can you please like my video? Even if you didn't like it. I know you did, but let's say you did like it. So give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on your notification, your post notification, your bell, so that way YouTube can alert you whenever I post a new video, and then the algorithm will push it out more to people. Then I'll have more subscribers, you know what I mean? Then I'll be that one of those girls. Help me become one of those girls with so many subscribers, come on, so I can make a difference in the world at least. And tomatoes, oops, good catch, because I just want to have some tomatoes. Anyway, first time I had this dish was in 10th grade, and I used to go to this Vietnamese restaurant in Randolph, Massachusetts. If you go there, you gotta check it out. It's called Pho So One Boston. It's really good. It's the best. It's the original. There's a few in the block, but it's the original. The pho there is amazing. It's consistent. So you definitely gotta check it out. It's really good. And also, while you're at it, be sure to like my video and subscribe. Thank you. Tell them Cindy sent you. And of course my cilantro. My cilantro has already been washed, so I'm just gonna get what I'm using. I love cilantro, so I'm gonna use a lot of cilantro because I love cilantro. Like I love cilantro, and I used to hate the smell, like really hate cilantro. But yeah, the smell used to make me feel so nauseous. But now it's like I love that stuff, you know. I just love it. I love it. Yeah. I'm trying to eat healthier because this Haitian food is not doing me justice. Like, I'm over it. Because I cook and then I end up eating the food. So, you know, and I look like I do not miss a meal. I really do. So it's like, you know what? I'm like, let me just make different dishes and give Haitian food a break. And yeah, because I've just been kind of tired of it right now. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna make the sauce now. That little sauce, that little sweet and sour dip they give you at the Vietnamese restaurant, it's really fish sauce and like rice vinegar I'm gonna use to make it, with some chili and some garlic for extra flavors. So we're gonna make the Vietnamese dipping sauce. I'm gonna peel a clove of garlic. And I'm gonna ground it in my modern pesto, which I washed earlier, so we're gonna ground it. Not too fine, just, you know, enough. I'm not using the whole thing because I'm not making a lot of this dipping sauce. But I'm also gonna use some frozen chilies. I've had these chilies and for like a long time, and I just saw it in the freezer because I didn't want them to go bad. But I'm gonna use two because I want it spicy, because the chicken is not spicy, so I want the heat. I want the heat. Bring it on. Listen, I'm trying to make this YouTube thing my life, my full-time job. So I'm dedicated right now. So if you don't know where the subscribe button is, it's like a red button. You just click on it, also subscribe. And the like button is a thumb, so click on the thumb up, not the thumb down. But actually either one works. We're gonna need a tablespoon of fish sauce. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. A tablespoon of fish sauce. And I'm gonna do 1/2 of a teaspoon of rice vinegar. I don't have white vinegar. Shocking. Shocking. Deep. Half of a teaspoon. And I'm gonna use lemon juice. Since I don't have lime, white vinegar, I'm gonna use the lime. So I'm gonna use the lime juice. If you have a lime squeezer, use it instead. Saves time and you get all the juices, most of it, honestly. So I did 1/2 of a lime. So I get everything. And I'm gonna save the other half for, you know, for you know the word. What's the word? Okay, so now we're gonna add the pepper and the garlic. Like I said, I want it spicy. So that's that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to balance the acidity. How much sugar am I gonna add? You ask? About 1/4 of a teaspoon. Using brown sugar. 1/4 of a teaspoon of brown sugar. And yeah, this is it. And then they put little pieces of carrots in it too, so we're gonna do that. And oh my gosh, I wish I had like an egg roll to like deepen this right now. But yeah, let me add the smaller pieces of carrots. Right, I'm gonna add some water. I almost forgot the water because this is, you know, this is strong. So I'm gonna add water is filtered, so we can use that. 1 tablespoon of water. So that's it, y'all. That's the sauce. Let me taste. Wow, I'm ready to marry a Vietnamese man. Ooh, the salt, the spice, it's good. I think I need more lime. It's not sour enough for me. Not forgetting to press record. And yeah, that's the sauce, which is fish sauce, lime juice, a little bit of rice vinegar, sugar, chili peppers, and garlic. Let me taste it and see how it is. Better. Ooh, it's spicy. I like it. Alright, so that's it. That's the sauce. I don't want to drop it. So this is the rice noodle that I will be using. Which we're gonna boil for like 10 seconds. And yeah, that's it. For the rice noodle, be sure to cook it according to the descriptions on the package. It's supposed to be 10 seconds, so don't mess it up. So yeah, I just boil the water, dump it in there, 10 seconds, take it out, and pour cold water over it to stop the cooking process. And for the chicken, make sure, if you're using a cast iron, that's what I used. Make sure you use some oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. But if you have a grill, you are lucky. I need a grill. Well, I need a home first with a backyard. Be sure to place the chicken on the side that you're going to plate it or present it, and don't forget to pour the marinade in there. Do not throw it out. One thing I meant to say, when you're cooking your chicken, be sure to flip it over just a couple times. Don't flip it over too many times because you don't want it to become dry. So what I did is when I laid my chicken on the side that I was gonna present it, I let it cook for 5 minutes and then flip it to the other side and like the other side cook, and then flip it a little couple more times. But you don't want to flip it too many times because it will become dry. But one thing is the chicken thighs have more fat, so they're juicier than the breast chicken. Look at the juices coming out of this. Oh my gosh, the chicken is just like me. Just kidding. Oh, it's so juicy. But anyways, you got it's so good. It's so delicious. It's light. It's healthy. So I'm definitely gonna try it again with beef this time, and I'm gonna do it with rice and of course lots of veggies. I'm actually thinking of making a salad. Stay tuned for that. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notification for future videos. Thank you. Bye.